Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the free Village Nugget Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker. We'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's dive in! The free Village Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, often referred to as sonic ice, which is perfect for beverages. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker produces traditional bullet ice, which is firmer and may not provide the same chewable experience. If you prefer nugget ice for your drinks, the free Village is the clear winner here. When it comes to speed, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker takes the lead, producing 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes. On the other hand, the free Village Nugget Ice Maker has a longer initial ice time of 12 minutes. If you're looking for quick ice production, the Sweetcrispy is the better option. Price is another significant factor. The free Village Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $209.99, reflecting its premium features and capacity. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker is much more budget-friendly at $69.99, making it an attractive option for those looking for value. If cost is a major consideration, the Sweetcrispy offers excellent savings. In conclusion, if you prioritize premium nugget ice and higher capacity, the free Village Nugget Ice Maker is worth the investment. However, if you need a quick, affordable solution for everyday use, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.